TIG tungsten inert gas welding allows superior operational control than other techniques. Remember, TIG welding allows you to weld numerous metal types as compared to other welding procedures. You can produce high-quality welding without smoke and spatter. In fabrication, TIG welding is a complicated procedure. You will need the right welding machine to complete your projects. A wrong machine may produce poor quality jobs. The selection of the right welder as per your needs can be a challenge. Fortunately, plenty of the best TIG welder for beginners are available in the market. Some top welder brands are Everlast, Lincoln, Hobart, Miller Electric, AHP Alpha, etc. To make things easy, we have reviewed the top 10 best TIG welders to meet your needs. Before selecting a TIG welder, it is essential to consider your budget. Make sure to evaluate the features of different machines before purchasing one best for you. If you want the best machine, feel free to invest in Lotos TIG and Hobart TIG welding machines. This guide will help you to find the best tool for aluminum welding along with other metals. In this list, you will find the best TIG welder for beginner UK. Make sure to evaluate your needs before choosing a welder for your projects.